Never do this at home. Never tell your kin to do this at home.
You see? Kids.
Attempt 1. Never do that. Attempt 2. Never do this too. Attempt 3. Never wear Attempt 3. Never wear a metal boot. Okay.